Hola, Rick the Shackley guy here. Today I'm going to be talking about a article in medicalnewstoday.com about screenings. Of course, we all need to be screened. I take a physical every year, but the article suggests that babies need screening also. For checking their eyes and their ears and their flexibility and things like that to make sure they're okay. And then it talks about adolescents. They need to be tested for cholesterol, their body weight, their health. And one thing that really surprised me is that they should be tested for sexually transmitted disease if they are sexually active. How are you going to know that? I don't know. As a parent, I guess you could ask. And then the young adults, age 20 and older, start to get tested for cholesterol, of course, and some other aspects of being young. At 25, it's suggested to be tested for cervical cancer. So cancer is one of those one of those diseases that can sneak up on you, so you should be tested for things like that. Then again, the midlife crisis, over 40 years old, get tested for a number of things, colorectal cancer and other aspects, diabetes, and making sure your heart is strong so you don't all of a sudden get a heart attack or some coronary disease that will cause major problems. And then you get to the people that are over 70 to 80 years old, like me. I don't know. I don't get tested very much. I go in for my annual physicals, but the the cancers, I'm not too worried about that anymore. Not at my age. If I haven't gotten anything by now, the likelihood is very low in my estimation. So I don't usually worry about those things anymore. Besides, I'm with the Shackley nutritional program, man. So that keeps my body healthy. I use the protein every day, the multivitamins every day, the other vitamins that I take. I do my exercise, so I think I'm pretty good for my age. And you should try to do the same thing, get a nutritional program like I always suggest. Shackley is the best in my opinion. Should have your protein every day because older people like myself usually don't get enough protein, and that causes major problems, which we talked about in the past. But anyway, start a Shackley program. Go to my website, get some products, and do your body some good because Shackley is quality you can trust, brother and baby.